How I became a full-time trader from an IT professional. In this video, I am going to share my journey. Let's get into it. Myself Suresh, alias Simple Trader. I was born brought up in the western part of Tamil Nadu, a remote village which is close to a Karnataka border. I came from a typical farmer family. I finished my schoolings in my village itself in a state board syllabus, and my village was completely remote from the outside world. Even a Google map have a very hard time to find my village. Do you want to check? Alexa, do you find my village?
Sorry, your location is not found in Google Map.
After my schoolings, I went to Ooty to pursue my engineering. So I was the first engineering graduate in my village. Now you can imagine how remote was my villages. Like most of other peoples, after finishing my engineering, I went to Chennai to search for a job. After a struggle, I got a job in MNC as an IT consultant. My professional life started here. All went good. A good salary, a good lifestyle, everything was perfectly fine. But after a couple of years, I got bored in my 9 to 5 job. I always wanted to do something on my own. I started a couple of startups. I got failed. And that was a time I was totally in the oscillation. During these days, I was introduced to the stock market by my friend. Until these days, I was not aware about a stock market, what is a stock market, how it operates, nothing. I was a totally big zero in this stock market. And he advised me to open a trading account with Zerodha. And the fun part is, I thought a Zerodha was a stock exchange, and that was my knowledge in those times. So now a trading account got opened, but I don't know what stocks to buy or what stock to sell. So I take an advice from my friend. So every day morning he sends me a list of stocks to buy or sell. So I did the same for 1 month. So out of the 20 trading session in a month, I was profitable for only 4 days. But end of the month, my account got washed out for the first time. I don't know what to do. I spoke with my friend again. He was also facing the same problem. And I asked how he getting his list out every day. He said he was subscribed to some tips provider. And that time we decided to change the tips provider, but again the result was same. My account got washed out a second time. So at that time I decided not to go with the tips provider. So I stopped trading, I started reading. In this chapter of my life, I call myself as a heavy reader. I read a lot of books about a stock market and a trading, and this was the first time I was introduced to the lagging indicators. And I still remember a first indicator which I used in my trading was a moving average. I started trading with a moving average. I made some profit. I lost some monies, and again I changed the indicators. I learned about RSI, MACD, a Bollinger Band, and all other indicators. I used it in my trading, but again the net result was failure, a loss. My account got washed out a third time. So during these time, I cannot able to refill my trading account because of the salary which I got in those days. So I decided to change my job, and fortunately I got a job in another company with 60% increment. So I shifted job. I got a good some amount money with me. So I put it in a trading account, and this time my friend introduced to me leading indicators such as a pivot points or Fibonacci, like other leading indicators. So I take a few time and learn about these indicators, and again I applied my trading approach. Again the net result was failure. I lost all the amount the fourth time in a row. So this time I decided again to quit. I quit. I concentrate more on my IT job, and this time I got an opportunity to work with a Gulf based IT company. So now I started working with a Gulf based IT company with a very good package. But now my monkey mind says to start a trading again. Again I started, but this time I decided not to go with any indicators. I learned new concepts of price action chart patterns, like triangles, trend lines, wedges, channels, some candlesticks pattern. So I learned everything. I mugged up everything. I can say I mugged up everything. And I also learned a concept of a GAN. I learned about a GAN fans, a GAN angles, a GAN dates, everything. So I combined all these stuffs and I applied in the market. I was so happy with the result for a few days. I thought I was a scientist in the stock market. I cracked this stock market because I was making very good money for a few days. But the days getting progress, but the results are going negative. By end of that quarter, I lost everything. My trading account got blown up. In the fifth time, direct straight row. So this time, I stopped trading. During this time, I started working with the various government entities in the Gulf. So where I was fortunate enough to meet my mentor. He was a local Emirati person from Abu Dhabi. He has some more than 30-35 years of experience in the stock market. And I was traveled with him a lot due to my job nature, and I shared my stories and everything to him. And I started sharing my experience about the trading. I said I was failed for a few times of using these indicators and patterns and everything. And he asked me that, have you ever tried a trading without using anything? I said no, it is impossible to take a trade without using anything. He opened up his chart and showed me the different way of approaching the market or looking at the chart. I was really amazed with the explanation which he given on that day. And also he asked me not to depend on anything or anyone to take my trade decision. And he asked me to become an independent trader. So from that day, my perspective of looking at the market was totally changed. I'm looking the market from the other traders' emotion and decision. And I was not traded for a few months. I analyzed, I experimented these things in a market. And from that day, not even a single month my profit in a trading was in a negative. I called this phase of my life is called a born of a simple trader. After understanding the market reality, I started experimenting a lot of trade setup, and I keep reduced everything. Now I am trading with only few trade setups such as BOF, BOL, TRBO and BOS. And because of this pandemic, I returned back to India. I was trading all alone in my village. That makes me so bored. So I decided to share my experience. I want to talk to people. So I conducted a free webinar on August 2021. I shared my BOF trade setup with the people. And also I decided to open up a Telegram channel and share my live analysis each and every day. I'll leave the link in this description. You can also join there. And also now I decided to share my live trades, my other trade approaches in this YouTube channel, and you can subscribe this channel. And welcome to Simple Trader community. As I always say, together we grow. Thank you.